In today's video, I will walk you through how to change preferred payment method on PayPal. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the preferred funding source used for payments in your PayPal account. This can be a linked bank account, debit card, credit card, or your PayPal balance. To begin, access your PayPal account using the full website version. After signing in, look toward the upper part of the screen and select Wallet from the menu. Once the wallet page opens, you'll be able to see the financial accounts currently linked to your PayPal account. These can include bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, and your PayPal balance. On the wallet page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Preferred when paying online. In this section, you'll see the payment method that is currently set as your preferred funding source. Next to that setting, select the Change option. This will open a page where PayPal allows you to choose which payment method you want to use as the preferred option for online payments. You'll now see the available payment methods connected to your PayPal account. Select the bank account, debit card, or credit card that you want to set as your preferred payment method. After choosing the payment method you want to use, continue by selecting Confirm. Once the change has been completed, PayPal will display a confirmation message showing the payment method that has now been set as your preferred way to pay online. After that, select Done to return to the Wallet section. Back on the Wallet page, the updated payment method will now appear as your preferred funding source for online payments. If you have multiple payment methods connected to your PayPal account, you can return to this same section at any time and repeat the process to switch to a different preferred payment method. The payment methods available in the selection list will depend on the bank accounts and cards currently linked to your PayPal account. When you open the Change section, PayPal will display all eligible funding sources that can be selected. Once you confirm the change, the newly selected option becomes the default payment method for future online payments made through your PayPal account. The process only requires selecting Wallet, locating the preferred payment section, choosing Change, selecting a funding source, and confirming the update. After the confirmation message appears and the updated payment method is displayed inside the Wallet section, the setup is complete and your preferred payment method has been successfully changed. And that's how to change your preferred payment method on PayPal. Thank you for watching.